I'm Carmen and welcome to the Featherweight Shop. Today is part one of a tutorial on the wiring to your featherweight light. In this segment, we will address cleaning the lead sheath that covers these wires. In the next tutorial, we will actually remove the light wiring and show you how to clean, repair, or replace those parts. But today is just a basic cleaning. The light for your Singer Featherweight is a simple socket with two wires, and these two wires are protected by a lead sheath, which allows you to push the wires away from these gears. But because lead corrodes over time, this sheath will become covered with white residue. And when it's left for a long time, the residue can fall off, getting into the grease on the gears, which will slow the machine down. When it's not too bad, like this one, you can clean it off from the bottom side without removing the wiring. We have a gear cleaning brush, a terry cloth towel, and a little low odor kerosene. And we will simply scrub it away. And because scrubbing with a brush is a little messy, I recommend using gloves, a mask, and some eye protection. Once the white oxidation has been removed, you will want to flush the gears clean with kerosene. Then, using the So Retro grease, apply a new layer of grease to the gears. I also recommend wiping a little grease on the lead sheath, which will keep oxygen from getting to the lead, slowing down the corrosion process. This is the same reason we put a little grease on the lead terminals on a car battery. It slows down the corrosion. Once the gears are clean and new grease has been applied, you should be ready to go. That white oxidation takes quite a while to form, so these wires should only need to be cleaned every couple years. If you have any questions, give us a call or send an email to the Featherweight Shop. We're always glad to help.